Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to download all photos from iCloud to iPhone. To download all photos from iCloud to your iPhone, follow these steps to ensure that your iPhone is set to download and keep original copies of your photos from iCloud. First things first, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access Apple ID settings. Tap on iCloud, then go on Photos. Toggle iCloud Photos to on if it isn't already. This will sync your photos and videos across all your Apple devices using the same Apple ID. Now, if it's on, under the photo settings in iCloud, choose Download and Keep Originals. This ensures that full resolution versions of your photos are stored on your iPhone, not just in iCloud. Now, to download all your photos from iCloud to your iPhone, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, as downloading all photos can consume a lot of data and take some time. Now, when you go to Photos app on your iPhone will automatically start downloading all your photos and videos from iCloud. This process may take some time, depending on the size of your photo library and the speed of your internet connection. You can check the download progress by scrolling through your photos and videos to see if they appear fully loaded. By following these steps, you can successfully download. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.